I gotta start all over, okay? Okay? What are you gonna do? What are you doing? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's a crazy bird. Yeah, that's a crazy bird. What are you doing? Hey, Jack. What are you doing? Hmm? Hmm? What's your name? Pretty Bird? What's his name? PJ? Is your name PJ? What's your name? What? Miss Pierce, what's his name?
Pretty boy.
What?
Yelson.
Yelson. Yelson. What are you doing, you crazy bird? You're crazy. You're crazy. You're crazy.
Pretty boy.
You sure are pretty.
What you doing, Yelson? Man, when we start to eat, that thing will lay in her bed just as good as she
What are you screaming about?
But as soon as we sit down,
If I didn't know any better, I thought somebody had you by the toe,
that bird
squealing like a little girl. Are you a girl bird?
Is it good? The bird's talking. Yeah.
What are you doing? Did you hear her say, what are you doing?
I don't care what we eat. There'd be so bad at lunchtime.
What are you doing?
I gave Yelson.
Huh? What are you doing? I cannot believe that. You're pretty. You want to see? You want to see me? Will you bite? You gonna bite me? Huh? You crazy.
That one was found
You
on
crazy.
Rochdale Highway.
You crazy.
Her mama had
You're
been
crazy.
run over
Peekaboo.
and she was about that long.
Oh my goodness, you crazy.
Went back
You crazy.
where he saw something move.
You're so crazy.
Brought her in.
Why you gonna bite me? You mean. Peekaboo. What? You crazy.
Dixie got
Peekaboo.
sitting down.
Can you do the peekaboo one time? You crazy. You crazy bird. Ah,
I thought that was a little bit.
Move
you
it,
crazy.
Mr. Dixie.
Peekaboo.
Yeah.
You're right. Move it.
Yeah.
Peekaboo.
She died.
You can't do no peekaboo.
Oh, wow.
You can't do peekaboo.
She was a little mean thing. You get
We
close
were
to
down at
Grandma,
the beach.
she's like
We
yapping
were
at you.
down at the beach.
Peekaboo.
It was the day that Adam got
Peekaboo.
married. And Brenda had the wedding down there.
Peekaboo.
You go get
Alright, I'm gonna go sit down. I'm done with you.
we took some things
You're a crazy bird.
that morning.
You doing a one-arm push-up. You crazy. You crazy bird.
He laughed. He did a one-arm push-up, and he said, "You crazy bird."
What are you doing? Doing a one-arm push-up. Oh my goodness.
Anyway,
I want one of these.
The day that Adam got married.
I want one of these.
that's when she got.
Can I have a birdie? Huh?
I took
Wanna go home with me?
I had to take
You wanna go home with me?
the whole salt.
Wanna go to my?
They kept
What are you
the
doing?
hospital. Cost me
What?
$2,400.
Hey, Jack. Wanna go with me down the road? Let's take the train. Much quicker.
Come home that night,
Wanna go with me?
she started hemorrhaging.
Nope.
So I had to make
You crazy. You're a crazy bird.
We got two.